Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the liver. How can we secure our liver? What kind of things we need to be mindful of and avoid so that our liver remains healthy? So the liver is a very important organ in our body. It's like a big factory which is doing so many things for us. It helps with digestion. It produces certain proteins for blood clotting. It helps to remove all the toxins from our blood. So basically it's like a big detoxifier for our body. It also helps in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. And most importantly, it produces bile, which is very essential for digestion. So how can we keep our liver healthy? First and foremost, we need to take care of our diet. We need to avoid too much of processed food, too much of sugar, because all of this puts an extra burden on the liver. Also, we need to avoid alcohol as far as possible. If we talk about any kind of liver disorder or liver diseases, 80% of the causes are due to viral hepatitis. So it's very important that if you're a parent, you get your child vaccinated for hepatitis B, for Japanese encephalitis, because this can also cause some kind of liver disorder. So it's very important that we take care of these vaccinations. The next most important thing is to maintain a healthy weight. Obesity or being overweight can also lead to fatty liver, which can be very, very dangerous. So it's very important to keep a check on your weight. If you're overweight, try to lose a little bit of weight. And the best way is, of course, to exercise regularly. Exercise regularly, at least for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever you can, even if it's just a little bit of walking. It's always better than nothing. So try to incorporate physical activity in your routine, because that will help not only your liver, but the entire body. And lastly, it's very important to be mindful of what you're eating. Try to incorporate more and more vegetables, fruits, fiber, because fiber helps to remove all the toxins. So it's very important to have a good amount of fiber in your diet. Try to avoid processed food as much as possible. Eat home-cooked food. This will help your liver to remain healthy. I know sometimes we all get carried away. We eat a lot, we overeat, especially during the festive seasons, and that's okay. Once in a while, if you do it, it doesn't matter, but make sure you don't do it too often. And whenever you overeat, try to do some kind of physical activity. Go for a walk at least for 15-20 minutes. This will help you to burn off all the extra calories that you have eaten. So these were some of the tips. All you need to do is be mindful of what you're eating, be active, and your liver will remain healthy. I hope this information was helpful for you. Please like and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.